Hello everyone, I am Salman Ibn Yunus. Welcome to my new tutorial series in which I will be covering data science using Python. You have already watched my previous tutorial in which I talked about robotics and how to interface different sensor using Arduino microcontroller. So actually I have got a lot of positive feedback and reviews from you guys that has encouraged me to make another tutorial series. So in this tutorial series I will be assuming that you already have the basic Python skills. You know the data structures of Pythons like list and dictionary and other basic Python stuff like reading file, etc. So if you still don't have those skill, I will provide some link in my description so that you can learn basic Python. There are lots of cool videos in YouTube and other places from where you can learn. So actually I will be showing you in this tutorial, I will be showing you some unique ways to code in Python for data science without any requirement of installation of software in your computer or an installation of IDE. So if you still want to install, you can install some frameworks like Anaconda, which I will provide you the link for installing those platforms in your PC. But now there are lots of cool stuffs online like Google colab which you can use. So let us see how to use Google Colab. So you will first have to click Google Colab in Google search, and then this screen will come. So if you press the new notebook, a new notebook like this will be opened. So I have prepared this for you earlier. So let us first see what is data science. So data science is basically an interdisciplinary field, so it covers a lot of things, as you can see in the diagram. So it requires the skill of a mathematician. Also you need the knowledge of statistics, you need the knowledge of computer science, machine learning, data processing and pre-processing, and some domain expertise. So in this tutorial I will be covering exploratory data analysis, and also I will be talking about data visualization and some machine learning stuffs in my next videos. So we will be learning Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, etc. So I think this will be an interesting tutorial for you where you can learn hands-on data science and also some theories. So I will be using mostly Python 3, so you can see in the runtime. So you can use GPU, that is graphical processing unit. So this is actually using Python version 3. So I will be showing you this in my next tutorial. So why Python? Python has become very popular in the last decade. So it's a first-class tool for scientific computing tasks, data analysis and visualization of large data sets. So mainly we will be handling a lot of data sets. So Python is very useful in this case because it has many libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So we will be covering those. So Python version 3 will be used in my tutorial. So let's dive into coding from my next video. I hope this tutorial will help you a lot. I will provide links of different books and other necessary links in my description. So let's go to the next video.